Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about an interesting topic. So let's get started. Learning English is a journey and everyone can improve with regular practice. Many people think that English is difficult, but I believe that it becomes easier when we practice every day. I started learning English because I want to communicate with people from different countries and create better videos for my YouTube channel. Every morning, I spend some time reading simple articles, learning new words, and speaking English loud. Sometimes I make mistakes, but I do not feel afraid because mistakes help me learn. If I do not understand a word, I look it up in a dictionary and I try to use it in my own sentences. I also watch English videos and listen carefully how native speakers pronounce words. After listening, I repeat the sentences until I can say them clearly. Although my pronunciation is not perfect, yet it is improving day by day. Whenever I have free time, I practice speaking because I know that speaking is one of the best ways to become fluent. My teacher once told me that confidence is just important as grammar. Therefore, I try to speak even when I am not sure about every sentence. I have learned that people usually appreciate effort more than perfection. If I continue to practice every day, I will become more confident and speak English more naturally. There are many ways to learn English. Some people enjoy reading books, while others prefer watching movies or listening to podcasts. I like using different methods because each one teaches me something new. Reading improves my vocabulary, listening improves my pronunciation, writing helps me organize my thoughts, and speaking builds my confidence. In the future, I want to speak English fluently. I know that it will take time, but I am ready to work hard. I will never give up because every small step brings me closer to my goal. Success does not come in one day, it comes through patience, practice, and consistency. That is why I will keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in myself until I achieve my dream. Remember, every day is a new chance to learn something new. Keep practicing English. Success will come. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.